This is not just a refinery. This is an entire industrial city built from steel.
As night falls, the refinery comes alive in light parade, revealing the sheer scale.
The world's largest refinery now stands complete.
From night to dawn, the steel refinery stands unstoppable talent.
Flying through this colossal steel landscape reveals the true scale of one of the largest industrial projects ever built.
Optimized evacuation routes.
Furnace ignition confirmed. Pressure.
Under the night sky, the steel refinery shines like an industrial metropolis.
Before the refinery can rise, mountains of steel arrive, each plate weighing more than 20 trucks combined.
Every single steel plate is digitally measured and sorted. Precision at this stage prevents million-dollar failures later. Each plate is scientifically tested, ensuring it can withstand extreme refinery temperatures, pressure, and decades of operation.
Computer-controlled plasma cutters slice through steel thicker than a human arm, shaping the skeleton of a refinery that will process millions of barrels of oil.
Before welding begins, every edge is precision-shaped, ensuring steel joints strong enough to hold thousands of tons of refinery infrastructure.
This is not just a refinery. This is an entire industrial city built from steel.
Advanced robotic systems weld thousands of joints with millimeter accuracy trim, creating refinery structures stronger than skyscrapers. Giant steel pieces come together like a mechanical puzzle, forming refinery modules larger than apartment buildings.
Every weld is scanned beneath the surface, guaranteeing flawless strength where failure is not an option.
Before coating begins, every steel surface is polished smooth for function, ensuring perfect bonding and long-term durability.
And when everything comes together, it creates the world's largest steel refinery structure.
High-speed metal blasting strips every impurity, preparing steel to survive decades in harsh refinery environments.
Specialized coatings protect refinery steel from chemicals, heat, and corrosion. A shield against decades of extreme conditions.
Inside massive curing chambers, heat hardens protective coatings, locking in strength that will guard the refinery for generations. Each finished steel module weighs hundreds of tons. Preparing them for transport is a massive engineering operation of its own.
Specialized transport systems carry steel structures heavier than airplanes' krillins, inching them toward the refinery site.
Across the massive refinery site, steel giants arrive, ready to become the core of a billion-dollar energy complex. With cranes stronger than skyscrapers, steel modules are lifted into place, transforming drawings into reality. Each anchor bolt is tightened with immense force, locking steel giants firmly into the earth itself.
On-site welding fuses refinery structures into a single massive framework, strong enough to handle extreme industrial forces.
Laser precision ensures every steel column stands perfectly aligned. Even millimeter errors are unacceptable at this scale. Steel frameworks now shape the skyline, a refinery rising from the ground, built piece by piece through engineering mastery. Pipe racks form the refinery's circulation system, massive steel highways carrying fuel, steam, and chemicals across the entire complex.
Reactors operating under extreme heat and pressure, the heart of refinery processing power.
Layer by layer, steel platforms create the refinery's operational backbone, allowing workers to navigate towering industrial systems.
These reinforced steel zones will support machines weighing hundreds of tons, powering the refinery's non-stop operations.
These towering steel frames will support furnaces burning at extreme temperatures 20, the engines driving refinery processing. Steel pipe bridges connect the refinery like arteries, carrying vital flows between massive processing units.
Steel bracing fortifies towering refinery units flourish, protecting massive structures from nature's strongest forces. Before operations begin, every steel structure undergoes rigorous inspection. Before final approval, steel frameworks are pushed to their limits, proving they can handle extreme refinery demands.
Steel frameworks now carry the refinery's massive processing systems.
transforming empty structures into a functioning industrial powerhouse.
From raw steel to a colossal industrial city, the world's largest refinery now stands complete. After years of engineering, fabrication, and precision build, a billion-dollar steel masterpiece.
After thousands of precision operations, engineers walk through a structure built to operate for decades without failure. Safety systems, protecting thousands of workers during refinery operations.
As night falls, the refinery comes alive in light parade, revealing the sheer scale. With final approvals complete, a colossal steel refinery stands ready to open, a triumph of modern industrial engineering.
Engineers simulate extreme conditions, ensuring the steel framework remains rock solid under every possible force. Final protective layers seal every joint, giving the steel structure unmatched resistance against harsh refinery environments.
Refinery complex. From ground to sky, steel now forms one of the largest refinery structures ever built, a true industrial masterpiece.
Before the refinery comes online, every steel structure undergoes a final readiness review, leaving nothing to chance.
Expansion joints allow the massive steel framework to breathe, adapting to extreme temperature changes without stress.
Special steel shielding protects refinery structures against extreme heat, adding another layer of industrial safety.
With smart monitoring activated, the steel framework is constantly watched, ensuring long-term safety and performance. Emergency access routes ensure rapid movement across towering steel structures layers, a critical layer of refinery safety.
Integrated drainage systems protect steel frameworks from water buildup below, preserving strength through extreme weather. Wind dampers and reinforced bracing protect the refinery's towering steel structures from powerful natural forces.
With construction complete, the massive steel refinery receives its final polish, ready for full-scale industrial operation. A powerful lightning protection system shields the massive steel refinery, safely directing nature's energy into the ground.
Every critical connection is verified once more, ensuring the refinery's steel backbone is absolutely secure.
Full-scale simulations confirm the refinery's steel infrastructure is ready for real-world industrial operations.
Bathed in golden light, the world's largest steel refinery stands complete, a triumph of modern mega engineering.
Emergency access platforms ensure rapid response across the towering steel refinery, a critical safeguard for industrial operations. Smart sensors continuously track steel expansion, protecting massive structures against temperature extremes.
Emergency drills ensure every worker can navigate the massive steel refinery safely under extreme conditions.
The entire steel refinery is now mirrored digitally, allowing engineers to monitor and optimize performance for decades.
Simulated storms test the refinery's steel resilience, proving it can withstand the harshest natural conditions.
Advanced damping systems absorb vibrations down, keeping the massive steel refinery steady under constant industrial motion.
Every coating layer is measured precisely, ensuring maximum corrosion protection across the entire steel framework. With every test passed, the massive steel refinery is officially ready, built to operate at the highest industrial standards.
Earthquake simulations push the steel refinery to
Final
its
load optimization distributes thousands of tons evenly clean, maximizing strength across the steel framework.
All steel systems now operate in perfect harmony, transforming the refinery into a unified industrial powerhouse.
Heat shield systems protect critical steel structures, allowing refinery operations to reach extreme temperatures safely.
Massive tension cables strengthen elevated steel structures, keeping long spans rigid and secure. Insulation protects steel frameworks from extreme heat, extending durability in harsh refinery environments. Industrial lighting systems ensure full visibility across massive steel frameworks, day and night.
Mechanical stress cycles compress decades of wear into hours, proving the steel structure's long-term endurance.
The steel framework now faces its ultimate challenge: extreme loads far beyond normal operation. With endurance testing complete, the steel refinery surpasses every engineering safety standard.
From raw steel to a colossal industrial giant, Clear Lake, the world's largest refinery now stands complete.
Long-span steel bridges are verified for perfect balance, carrying massive loads across the refinery complex.
Accelerated aging tests prove the steel's resistance against decades of chemical exposure. With global certification complete, the steel refinery officially becomes one of the largest industrial structures ever built. Thermal shock tests push steel to extremes proximities, ensuring durability through sudden temperature changes.
Built-in redundancy ensures the steel framework remains secure, even if one system ever fails.
Real-time monitoring now safeguards every steel structure, creating one of the smartest industrial complexes ever built. As the sun rises, a steel-built giant stands complete, reshaping the future of global energy.
Emergency load systems guarantee the steel framework remains secure under any unexpected conditions.
Redundant steel systems are pushed together, proving the refinery's unmatched structural security.
From night to dawn, the steel refinery stands unstoppable Italian, a monument to human engineering power.
The steel framework is tested far beyond real-world conditions, proving massive safety margins.
Even microscopic joint movement is analyzed here, ensuring perfect structural integrity across the refinery.
Smart corrosion monitoring now protects every steel surface, ensuring decades of reliable operation.
Spanning horizon to horizon, this is the pinnacle of modern engineering. A testament to human...
Emergency load pathways guarantee the steel framework remains secure, even in the most extreme situations.
Fireproof systems protect critical steel structures gravelly, maintaining strength even under extreme heat. After thousands of tests, the refinery's steel framework earns flying through this colossal steel landscape reveals the true scale of one of the largest industrial projects ever built.
Optimized evacuation routes ensure thousands can move safely through the massive steel refinery in emergencies. Lightning surge tests prove the refinery's steel grounding system can safely absorb massive electrical energy.
Endurance testing subjects steel to relentless temperature extremes, simulating decades of refinery operation. The world's largest steel refinery stands complete at weight, a global symbol of industrial engineering excellence.
Continuous operation simulations confirm the steel framework's ability to endure non-stop industrial workloads.
Millions of stress cycles test fatigue resistance, ensuring steel strength over decades of operation.
Every structural metric confirms success. The refinery's steel framework exceeds all engineering expectations.
Circling this colossal steel refinery reveals the full magnitude of one of humanity's greatest industrial creations. At full capacity, the steel framework carries enormous industrial loads and function, proving its unmatched strength. Emergency recovery tests ensure the steel framework remains stable even during sudden system failures.
Digital modeling predicts decades of reliable performance, proving the steel refinery is built for generations.
From raw steel to a colossal industrial empire, the world's largest refinery stands complete, a true engineering legend.
Global regulators confirm full compliance, officially approving one of the largest steel structures ever built.
After years of construction, the steel refinery is officially handed over for full-scale operation.
Furnace ignition confirmed. Pressure holding steady at platform 3.
Acknowledged. We are green across the board.
Under the night sky, the steel refinery shines like an industrial metropolis, fully alive.
This steel-built giant now powers industries across the world asound, reshaping global energy supply.
Forged from steel and human ambition, forge it. This refinery stands as one of the greatest industrial achievements in history.
Bring it down 20.
Copy that, 20 down.
Easy, easy, looks good.
Here, steel is brought to life in temperatures above 1500 degrees, where raw metal transforms into massive structures. These machines are more powerful than anything found in ordinary factories. This is industrial force at its absolute limit.